Not everyone who follows you sees your videos, your posts, or your pictures the first time you post it. In fact, they might not even see the second, the third, or the 15th time you post it. So when people are trying to grow an account, when they're trying to make a business grow online, when they're trying to share some information about a product that they love or something that they're offering as service, they need to share the information again and again and again. And I talked about it in another video. You sound repetitive to yourself. You feel like it's getting redundant and you're saying the same thing over and over again. But bear in mind, your followers and the people who are actually on the journey with you won't see everything you post, and they won't see it every single time. They won't see every video unless they are very faithful and they're coming back every day to see what you're sharing. They're not going to see everything. So just think about how often the people outside of your followers are going to see your content. Maybe a lot less than that. So don't be afraid to repost it. Don't be afraid to share it again. Don't be afraid to say that information more times than you care to hear yourself say it, because somebody who's looking for it, someone who wants to hear it, and somebody who needs to hear it might not see it that first, second, or 13th time, but hopefully you will get across to them one of those times, and they'll either follow, like, subscribe, or buy whatever it is that you're offering. So go ahead and share it again and again and again, and don't give up.